Have you ever dreamed of starting a YouTube channel but felt too shy to be on camera? Well, what if I told you that you could start a successful, faceless YouTube channel today, for free? That's right. In this video, I'm going to reveal 7 incredible, and completely free, AI tools that will do all the heavy lifting for you. We're talking about everything from writing your scripts to creating amazing visuals and even generating a voiceover. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete blueprint to launch your own automated channel without ever showing your face. So, if you're ready to start your YouTube journey, make sure you stick around because this is going to be a game changer. Let's dive in. First things first, every great YouTube video starts with a great idea and a solid script. But what if you're not a natural writer? No problem. This is where our first tool, Chat, comes in. You've probably heard of it, but are you using it to its full potential? Once you have your idea, Chat can write the entire script for you. The key is to be specific with your prompts. Instead of just saying write a script about the Roman Empire, try something like write a 5-minute YouTube video script about the daily life of a Roman soldier in a conversational and engaging tone. You can even ask it to structure the script with an introduction, main points, and a conclusion. It can generate lists, stories, and explanations, which are perfect for faceless content. The best part? It's completely free to use. This one tool alone saves you hours of research and writing, forming the very foundation of your video. Now that we have our script, we need a voice to bring it to life. This is where our second free AI tool, 11 Labs, steps in. 11 Labs is a state-of-the-art AI voice generator that creates incredibly realistic and natural-sounding audio. Forget those robotic, monotone voices you've heard before. The voices from 11 Labs have real human-like intonation and emotion. Their free plan is incredibly generous. It gives you 10,000 characters per month and allows you to create up to 3 custom voices. This means you can either choose from a library of pre-made, high-quality voices or even clone a voice to create a unique sound for your channel. Using it is super simple. You just copy the script you created with Chat, paste it into 11 Labs, choose your favorite voice, and click Generate. In just a few moments, you'll have a professional-grade audio file ready for your video. This is a crucial step for faceless channels because the voice is what builds the connection with your audience. A clear, engaging voiceover will keep viewers hooked, and 11 Labs delivers that quality without costing you a penny. Alright, we've got our script and our voiceover. Now it's time to create the visuals. This is often the most intimidating part for new creators, but our third tool, Leonardo AI, makes it incredibly fun and easy. Leonardo AI is an AI image generator that lets you create stunning, high-quality images from simple text prompts. Think of it as your personal digital artist. For a faceless channel, you can use it to generate unique thumbnails that grab attention or create custom illustrations and artwork to use throughout your video. Let's say your video is about ancient myths. You could type a prompt like, an epic, cinematic shot of a Greek god on Mount Olympus, dramatic lighting, detailed. Within seconds, Leonardo AI will generate several unique images based on your description. You can tweak the prompts to get exactly the style you want, whether it's photorealistic, cartoonish, or artistic. The free plan gives you a daily allowance of tokens, which is more than enough to create all the visual assets you need for several videos per week. With Leonardo AI, you no longer need to worry about copyright issues with stock images or spend money on graphic designers. You have an infinite source of unique visuals right at your fingertips. So we have our script, our voiceover, and some amazing images. How do we turn all of this into an actual video? This brings us to our fourth free AI tool, Canva. You might know Canva as a graphic design tool, but its video editor is a hidden gem, especially for beginners. It has a super intuitive drag-and-drop interface that makes video editing a breeze. You can upload the voiceover from 11 Labs and the images you created with Leonardo AI. Then, you can easily arrange them on the timeline. But here's where Canva's AI features really shine. It has a feature called Beat Sync that automatically syncs your video clips and images to the beat of your chosen background music. This instantly makes your video feel more dynamic and professionally edited. Canva also offers a huge library of free stock video clips, animations, and text effects that you can add to make your content more engaging. You can create text overlays, animated intros, and outros all within the same platform. For a faceless channel, Canva is the perfect all-in-one tool for assembling your video quickly and easily, with no prior editing experience required. Now, let's talk about a tool that can almost do everything for you. Our fifth free AI tool is called InVideo AI. This is for those who want to streamline the process even further. InVideo is a text-to-video generator. What does that mean? It means you can take the script you wrote with chat, paste it into InVideo, and it will automatically create a full video for you. It analyzes your script and searches its massive library of premium stock footage, images, and music to find visuals that match your text. It then intelligently edits these clips together, adds your voiceover, and even adds text overlays and transitions. Of course, the result isn't always perfect on the first try, but it gives you a fantastic starting point. You can then go in and easily swap out clips, adjust the timing, and customize the text to your liking. The free version does have a watermark, but it's an incredibly powerful tool for quickly producing content, especially for channels that focus on listicles or informational videos. It can turn a 1,500-word script into a fully edited video in minutes, not hours. This level of automation is truly a game changer for anyone wanting to scale their Faceless channel. Okay, let's move on to our sixth tool, which tackles one of the biggest challenges for any YouTuber, creating attention-grabbing titles and thumbnails. The tool is called TubeBuddy. While TubeBuddy has many features, its free version offers some powerful AI-driven tools. One of the best is the title generator. If you're stuck on what to call your video, you can input your topic, and TubeBuddy will suggest a list of catchy, SEO-friendly titles that are designed to get clicks. But the real magic for Faceless channels is its thumbnail analyzer. A great thumbnail is crucial for getting views. TubeBuddy's AI can analyze your thumbnail and compare it to others in your niche, giving you a score and suggestions for improvement. It might suggest increasing contrast, using a different font, or adding certain elements. This takes the guesswork out of thumbnail creation. You can use this feedback to refine the images you made in Leonardo AI and create a thumbnail in Canva that is scientifically designed to attract viewers. Using AI to optimize your titles and thumbnails is a pro move that can significantly boost your channel's growth from day one. Finally, our seventh free AI tool is all about repurposing your content to maximize your reach. This tool is called Clip. You've spent all this time creating an amazing long-form YouTube video. But what about shorts, TikToks, and Reels? Clip uses AI to analyze your long video, identify the most viral-worthy moments, and automatically re-edit them into engaging short-form clips. It reframes a shot to a vertical format, adds dynamic captions, and even gives each clip a score based on its viral potential. This is an incredibly efficient way to promote your main channel and attract new subscribers from other platforms. Instead of spending hours manually finding and editing clips, you can upload your video to Clip and get 10 or more ready-to-post short videos in minutes. For a Faceless channel, this is a massive advantage. It allows you to build a presence across multiple platforms with minimal extra effort, creating a powerful content ecosystem that funnels viewers back to your main YouTube channel. The free plan gives you a generous amount of processing time each month, which is perfect for anyone starting out. So there you have it. 7 powerful and free AI tools that allow you to start a Faceless YouTube channel today. Let's do a quick recap. We use chat for ideas and scripts, 11 Labs for a professional voiceover, Leonardo AI for stunning, unique images, Canva for easy video editing, InVideo for automated video creation, TubeBuddy for optimized titles and thumbnails, and Clip for repurposing your content into viral short clips. The barrier to entry for YouTube has never been lower. You no longer need expensive equipment, a film studio, or even the confidence to be on camera. All you need is a good idea and these free AI tools. You can create high-quality, engaging content that people love to watch, all from the comfort of your own home. The era of the AI-powered creator is here, and you have everything you need to be a part of it. What are you waiting for? Pick a niche you're passionate about, start experimenting with these tools, and launch your channel. The sooner you start, the sooner you can start growing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to grow your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.